bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
If your MacBook won't turn on, but you need to factory reset it, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown. Then, connect it to power and press Command-R as you turn it on to enter recovery mode. If you get in, use Disk Utility to erase the drive and reinstall macOS. If not, try using Apple Configurator with another Mac or contact Apple support.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.